It's your girl Majestie and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share annoying things people do. Now I know I've made a similar video, it's called my pet peeves. If you want to go check that out, I'll leave the link in the description below. But I've got a few more things that people do that are just so annoying. Like sometimes you have to wonder, are these people human? How does that not annoy you to even do that? Like what are you doing? So let me start. Number one, when people stop out of nowhere. Okay, let me explain. Have you ever just been walking, minding your business, you're on the pavement and this person's walking in front of you and they're actually walking at an okay speed, okay? There's nothing to frustrate you. But then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, they stop. Why are you stopping? Did you see a stop sign? They just stop. They don't care about who's behind them. They don't care if someone bumps into them. They don't even move over to just stop where there's no one walking. They just stop out of nowhere. Not even no sorry or anything. They just stop. Why are you stopping? What made you stop? I didn't see anything around you that told you to stop. I didn't see no bus you was waiting for. I didn't see no one call your name. Why are you stopping out of nowhere? Like you literally was just walking and then you stop. That is so annoying, people. You need to stop that. But two, when people stare into their phone. Now I don't mean if you're sitting down and you're having your little conversation, or if you're laying down and you're relaxing, and you're texting or whatever. No. I don't care. But if you are walking and staring dead into your phone and you don't care what's going on around you, and I'm walking towards you, I promise you I'm going to walk into you, just for the fact so you can know next time to look up and then look back at your phone. Now, I'm not gonna act like I don't do it. Yeah, I text and walk, but I look to see if there's anyone coming, and I look back and forth. People that just look dead into their phone, it annoys me. It really irritates me. Even when they're crossing the road, you clearly don't love your life. You clearly don't want a life. I just hate when people look into their phone and then they're walking towards you. Don't do that when I'm walking next to you, because I will walk into you. I literally will walk into you. 3, you ever been out with someone and you're buying a drink or whatever and it comes with a straw, and then they finish their drink, right? And then because it was so nice, they start slurping, like they start sucking out the bottom of the cup with the straw, and it's just making that annoying noise. Like the drink is finished, like it's done, it's over with, okay? Go pay another £2 if you want it. Like it is done, okay? Stop sucking out the bottom of the cup. Like that sound, it's annoying. It's annoying. 4, when people try to sell stuff at your door. Let me explain. You ever been relaxing at home? You're not expecting any guests. You're watching TV and then you hear a knock on your door, and it's a salesperson or someone trying to get you to join their program, or all of the other stuff that people try and sell, and you make as much excuses as you can. Like my excuse is always, I'm babysitting, I'm looking after a baby, I'm sorry, I can't talk. And they're always like, no, but just 1 more minute of your time. Did you not hear I'm looking after a child? I cannot. No, they're always trying to sell rubbish stuff. Like the other day, right, someone came to my door. They're doing like this program around the neighborhood that they're trying to get everyone onto, whatever. He knocked on my door and I opened it and he's like, hi, blah 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 blah, and then he's like, is there anyone a bit older at home? Okay, first of all, yeah, you knocked on my door. You knocked on my door. Second of all, okay, a lot of people tell me I look young for my age, which is fine. I guess I have to get used to it. But how are you knocking at my door and requesting if there's anyone older? Just tell me the thing and go on about your business. What is this about there's anyone older? Like, nobody cares about your program anyways. No one's gonna join onto it. Coming at my door requesting stuff. Please. 5, when you get no reply. Now, this irritates me. It irritates me so much. So have you ever been texting someone, and it's all good, conversation's good or whatever, and then you text them and what you sent, there's like 1 million replies to it. Like I know when I did a conversation, because clearly I wanted to dead it, so I expect no reply. But when you expect a reply and you don't get one back, I hate when I text someone I've seen that they've read it. I give them about 2 minutes because I'm like, okay, cool, maybe they needed to do something or maybe they're thinking. But if 10 minutes goes past, why couldn't you just send, even if it's a full stop, an emoji? I don't mind, but why are you airing me? Like, what is the point of that? I hate that. Thank you for tuning into my video. Let me know, do people do those things around you and I just be so annoying? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to comment, like and subscribe, and I will definitely see you in another video. Bye.